Hello everyone, this is Rajan Sikhri and today we have a class on the bar chart. Look at the statement please. First of all, average prices per kilometer of clothing imported into the European Union from 6 different countries in 1993 and 2003 are shown in the bar chart below. Now the question is, summarize the information by selecting and reporting the main features. S laga ho. It means we require minimum 2 features, maximum 4 features in the overall. And make comparisons. It means you have to make at least 2, 3 or maximum 4 comparisons where relevant. Now look at the bar chart please. First one country we have Argentina. Prices in pounds. That is the top one. Then we have Brazil. Then we have Japan. We have China. We have India. We have Bangladesh. In case of introduction, what we will do that we will rephrase it. We will use the synonyms. We will not copy the same words. If you copy the same word, in that case, there will be deduction in the lexical resource. Now let's look at the overall. Overall बनना किस तरह चाहिए देखना please. Okay. अच्छा ओवरऑल के अंदर मिनिमम 2 मैक्सिमम 4 फीचर चाहिए. Now look at the graph please. मैं फर्स्ट फीचर कड़ा ऐड करन जा रहे हैं. Look at here please. This one is the highest, this one is the lowest. So I would say that the highest average price per kilometer was recorded in Argentina, whereas the lowest was in Bangladesh. So this should be my first main feature. ਇਹਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਮੈਂ ਕਹਾਂਗਾ over the reported time period. Reported time period ਦਾ ਮਤਲਬ ਹੈ 1993 to 2003 ਤਾਂ ਕਿ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਉਹ ਚੀਜ਼ ਨੂੰ ਦੁਬਾਰਾ ਨਾ ਕਹਿਣਾ ਪਏ. This is the first feature. ਹੁਣ ਦੇਖਣਾ ਇਸ ਤੋਂ ਬਾਅਦ ਮੈਂ second feature ਵੀ ਐਡ ਕਰਾਂਗਾ. ਦੇਖਣਾ please. So now look at the second main feature for the overall. Now look at here. Argentina, Brazil, Japan, the price declined. Whereas the prices inclined in China, India and Bangladesh. This would be my second main feature. So now what are some of the rules or protocol that we must have to follow for writing a graph? First one is TA, task, achievement or accomplishment. In this case, you must have 2 main features, minimum 2 features, maximum 4 features that I added in the graph. First one feature was highest, lowest. Second main feature was price decline in kind. Next one, 150 words. Maximum you can go for 170. Then you have to make a comparison. Comparison means to say figure inclined, declined compared to previous or past. CC, that means explanation of the main feature at first. That comes under body paragraph. Body paragraph the under main feature the explanation पहले कीती गई या नहीं कीती गई, that comes under CC. CC the अंदर एक और चीज आती है linkers, connectors. However, ठीक है जी, nevertheless, likewise, similarly, कि ये connector use कीते गए या नहीं कीते गए. Then comes LR, lexical resource, vocabulary. Second thing is spelling mistakes. The more spelling mistakes are, in that case, there would be more deduction. Last one is GRA, grammatical range and accuracy. Use of complex structures. What is complex structure? Usage of which, while, that, whereas. This is called complex structure. Even though, although, you can also add. Next one is conditional structure. Conditional means to say, have you used only word? कि only word use किया गया, and it will always be used in task 1 with the lowest figure. Last one is tends to be used in the graph. In this case, we had only 1993 and 2003, which means that we have to use only past tense. So ये सारी चीज़ें बहुत ज़्यादा एक combination बनदियां ने for achieving 7, 7.5 or 8. Thank you very much.